Let us look at some materials that we need for our Meenakari painting. First, we need a canvas, a scale and one pencil. Tracing image will be provided to you. You just need to print it out and trace it in the canvas. The password is given in a video, so make sure you watch every video. For tracing, of course, we need a carbon paper. Here I am using a yellow carbon paper. After the tracing is done, we need a 3D outliner. Here I am taking camel gold glass liner, and with the help of this I will be making the cone work. You can use any kind of 3D art liner like Febicryl or Montmartre for this kind of work. Cone work are very difficult to do, so I will highly suggest watch my video fully and carefully and practice it another sheet and then finally do it on the canvas. After the cone work is done, it's time for the coloring. For coloring, I am using glass colors. As you can see, these are camel glass colors which are water based. You can also use Febicryl glass colors which are also water based. Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, Worli painting, Fad painting, Meenakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art. We also need a needle to spread out the glass color evenly. If you don't have a needle in your vicinity, you can also use any nib pen, which will be as good as a needle to spread out the glass color. Also, there can be an issue of bubbling in glass color, so it will also help in picking that bubbles. The final step after coloring is the Meena work, also known as the stone work. For that we need various colorful stones. We also need some glass liner to do the emboss work. You can also use a Febicryl fabric glue for picking up and pasting the stone. All of the materials link are given in the description box, also in the content section. If you have any question or any doubt about the materials, don't forget to ask me. I will be happy to answer each and every question. With these easy materials, you can easily do the Meenakari painting. I will be looking forward for your projects. So, what's waiting? Let's start the Meenakari work. If you want to enroll in my free workshop where I teach various Indian art forms, you are welcome to do that. You just need to go to the description box and fill out this Google form. You have to write your name, your WhatsApp number as well as the classes you are willing to attend. The classes date and timings will be notified you very soon. Make sure you press the submit button.